Hello there, welcome to another video. I'm David and today we're having a look at another Brattonsound shooting related product, and this is the Brattonsound Sentinel PD7 ammo cabinet. Okay, well, I've said ammo cabinet, but it is certified to British standard, so theoretically it is a gun cabinet as well. I mean, if you had a small cabinet, I don't know, maybe a powder weapon or something that would fit in there, then that would be suitable with police approval because it's got the British standard rating. That's the inside of the door, which has got your built and independently tested to BS7558 1992. The only way to guarantee police acceptance, but obviously whatever you want's got to fit in it. Having said that, I think we've only ever sold them as ammo cabinets for clients that have already got their shotgun or rifle cabinet and need more storage space, secure storage space for ammunition. So let's have a look at the vital statistics. The height in millimeters externally is 388, the width is 407 millimeters, and the depth there is 320 millimeters. And this unit weighs in at 16 kilograms. So it's the usual Brattonsound powder coated dusty grey finish, and there's the Brattonsound logo, and that's our logo with our website, londonsafes.co.uk. I'll open it up. You've got this single safe type lock. It's supplied with 2 keys. I'll turn the key so you can see the bolt projection, and the bolt just locks behind that rebate there on the side of the safe. You've got some reinforcement here, so this is designed to wrap around the inside of the door there, meaning that, and it does the same thing on this side as well in a way, meaning that when you're prizing here with a crowbar or something, you're not actually prizing the vulnerable part. It's kind of still behind there, if you see what I mean. So you get this sponge base, and I'll remove that. So this is a protective base, and that reveals the 2 fixing holes that they decide to put there. Brattonsound would be better. Brattonsound, if you're watching, if there was 4 fixing holes in all of these cabinets, even the gun cabinets, 4 in the bottom would be better. And there's 4 fixing holes on the back. And most of the time it's going to get bolted to a wall, not to a floor, but those 2 extra holes would make it possible to bolt to a floor when we can't bolt to a wall. So in terms of installation, well, with our service, we do free delivery and free installation. That's professional installation. We're very experienced in installing safes and cabinets. That's the area that we cover. It's quite a big area. It's about 90-mile radius of our sort of headquarters in Hatfield, Hertfordshire. We're rated excellent on Trustpilot. So the idea is that we'll arrive in an unmarked van and we'll install this where you want it installed. Ideally what we're looking for is a solid brick wall to bolt it to, and we use expanding fixings and bolts that the safe isn't supplied with, but we provide those at no extra cost. We need there to be no skirting board, so you can see here there's no skirting board. If you do have a skirting board there, you can either cut that away, and we suggest you cut it about 5 millimeters wider than the width of the unit before we arrive, or we can do it. We do need to see some pictures on WhatsApp, but there is an additional charge if we have to cut the skirting board because it isn't as straightforward. Other than that, if there's no skirting board, then there'll be nothing else to pay. That'll be it. We hope that we are fortunate enough for you to want to buy one of these or any of our products and have it installed by us. So when you do and you add it to cart, I think you click on buy now, you'll be presented with a list of accessories that you could also add to your order if you want. So I'm going to cut to another clip that I filmed on another day with another safe, so it's going to look completely out of sequence, but I go through what the accessories are. So that's coming up now. So hopefully you're going to buy a safe from us and we're going to come and install it for you. So during the checkout process, if you are doing that, and thank you if you are, there's a number of accessories that you can purchase. So the first one is a automatic light, battery operated 3 AAA cells, and it's got a little movement sensor, and that pops onto the underside of the top of the safe, and as you open the safe the light comes on, illuminates the contents. Very useful for dark cupboards or wardrobes, things like that, so you can see what's going on in there. Then we have this, which is a flame retardant wallet, so you can put your A4 documents and bits and pieces in there for extra fire protection. We have a carpet base if you want a carpet in the bottom of your safe. As you see, they don't come with one. If you want one, then that's an optional extra. This is a pair of Faraday pouches for putting car keys in. Key cloning theft of cars is very, very common now. You put your keys in here and the people with the dodgy equipment can't pick up the signal in the house to take your car away. And finally, we have this dehumidifier box, which you can put inside the safe. It's reusable. You can dry it out on a radiator, absorbs moisture, protects things from condensation, because you can get condensation form inside a big steel box like that. Also useful for keeping firearms dry as well. And these are all recommended accessories for your safe that are available at checkout. So you've seen the accessories. If you're here because you subscribed or because you've stumbled across the video but you're not looking for this, you're looking for a safe for your home, I'm going to put a link now in the top right hand corner to a video that I'd really like you to watch. I think you'll enjoy it, and if you could possibly like and subscribe to this video, I'd really appreciate it. And I'll also put that video at the very end of this video, which is coming up after this short sequence.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.